This is what you need to watch for in the stock market. We cover 4 indexes. The first is S&P. S&P closed at 4,280.15 cents. And this is what you need to watch for in the stock market. Last week we talked about it, and I said the market was likely going to move to around that 4,400 area. We closed at 4,280, so we got pretty close to that 43. We are now at the resistance level, and we've highlighted this for a reason. We want to see price action get above this level. This is critical for the bull market to continue. If we do not get above this level, and chances are we are going to reverse and move back lower to retest around where we first broke out at, this 3,800 area. I think the market has the power. I think we will continue to stay near this 4,300 area, get some momentum, and continue the move higher. This is what I'm looking to see for the S&P for the rest of August. So that's the S&P. Let's check out IWM. And let's go to ticker IWM. Made it this far, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and we can have a conversation. IWM closed at 236 cents. And let's zoom in and let's look at the price action. And this is what you need to watch for. We are back at the resistance level at that 200. And this is exactly where I said the market would likely move to last week. We are also getting very close to this 50-day moving average. We haven't met it in weeks. And last time it was there, it was under. It moved lower. Will it repeat? I don't think it will repeat. And the reason why I don't think it will repeat is because we have strong momentum to the upside. Before, we did not have momentum. We were stalled out for a very long time. And once it fell under there, it became subjected to the move lower. Now we have power going higher. We're looking to see that the bulls continue, because if you close at the highs, chances of continuation are good. I'm looking to see IWM eventually press higher, probably face a little bit resistance, but eventually get over that hump and we move back to 210. So that's IWM. Let's check out the Dow, and we use ticker $DJI. So the Dow closed at 33,761.05 cents. And let's zoom in and check out the progress for this week. We closed at the highs. Ladies and gentlemen, you know what happens when you close at the highs. Chances of continuation are good. We have momentum, and also the 50-day moving average could show some type of fight. This resistance level is going to be critical for the bulls. We have to close above this level for this to continue. If we do not close above this level, chances are we will move lower. I'm looking to see that the Dow eventually press higher and get back to where it started to fall from, around this 35,000 area. That's the Dow. And lastly, let's check out the Nasdaq, and we use ticker NDX. Make sure you hit that subscribe, show me some love, help me out with the videos. Nasdaq closed at 13,565.87 cents. And let's zoom in here. We got back into this range. The Dow looks the best of the 4, and it does because we are not near any current resistance level. This could push higher, and we're looking to get to around this area here, which is the 14,500 area. That's what I'm looking for on the Dow as this moves higher. So that's it. 4 indexes. One thing we need to look for: resistance. Can we close above it? I say we can. And I think that we continue the bull run. This is the market that everybody hates to love because it is pressing forward. Some people are not involved, some people are. You just got to make your money however you can. Remember, with technical analysis, the key thing is you have zero idea what is going to happen. You don't do your best to do anything besides figure out probabilities. There are always 2 types of outcomes: up or down. And in this situation, we have been moving up, so we want continuation where? Up. We have no signal right now showing us that a move lower is imminent. Until we get that signal, we are likely pressing forward. So that's it. Make sure that you check this out every single week, where I give you my analysis, the sharp analysis. You can check the record. Everything is there. We've been spot on. Enjoy yourself this weekend. Make sure that you get outside, have some fun, spend some time with some loved ones, get your exercise, drink your water, get laughter, and we'll check you next week. All right? Peace.